Step 1. In power off state, long press the on/off button for 5 seconds to enter pairing status. Step 2. Choose FX from the Bluetooth list of the mobile phone. Short press the multifunction button. When there is an incoming call, long press the multifunction button for 2 seconds and release it. Press the multifunction button for 2 seconds and release it. When the phone rings, if there isn't any operation, it will answer the call automatically in 15 seconds. Step 1. Turn on the music player in the mobile phone. Step 2. Click the multifunction button to play the music and click again to pause the music. Long press the volume down button to turn down the volume. Long press the volume up button to turn up the volume. Short press the volume up button for the next music. Short press the volume down button for the previous music.